Most people think CNC machines are just moving metal. Today I am here to show you what's behind these machines. I am Karan Gidwani. We at Cosmos Impacts manufacture these machines. But I am not here to sell you one. I am here to take you through the journey of behind the machine. So let's move on. So let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed two CNC machines can look identical? Same specs, same spindle, even the same controller. Years go by, one machine performs like day one. The other one loses its edge over time. So what's the difference? Most people will say it is spindle, but the reason is much deeper than what you think. Reason is structure. Structure is the most important part. Picture this, you are building your dream home. You select best tiles, best furniture, best interior. But what if the foundation is not strong? None of this will matter. It will not last long. The CNC machine works exactly the same. The foundation is its structure. Now picture this, a CNC machine removing metal, generating thousands of kilograms of cutting force, constant movement, constant vibration. Where does that all energy go? Into the structure. Every fraction of millimeter movement matters a lot, changes everything. Structure's job is to hold it all together and absorb it. So here's another question for you. If structure matters this much, then why do best CNC machines in the world use cast iron, not steel? This one might surprise you. I will see you next time.